Good morning, good morning, good morning. How are you all? I hope you're all feeling great, enjoying the lessons, and enjoying your day. Are you? Okay, that's great. That is super great. That's amazing. And I tell you most of the time that all of your teachers are working so hard and they're making so many wonderful lessons for you. They come and they talk to you, they do some activities to show you videos. So they are doing a wonderful job. So, what is a job? And every person does a job, right? Your father, maybe your mommy, maybe your grandparents, or your uncle and aunt, or maybe brother or sister, or people around us, they all have jobs, right? They do some jobs. Yes. And the teachers also, they have a job. Somebody else has a job, right? And these jobs are called professions. Yes. So this is a social studies class in which we are going to learn about professions today, right? So before I'm going to start, I'm going to ask you, what do you think is a profession? Yes, can anybody tell me what is a profession? Okay, now profession is someone who earns a living. There is someone who earns a living by performing any activity, right? He go out and do any activity for a living that requires a certain level of skill, certain level of education, and certain level of training. That is called a profession, right? Everybody goes out and they go for work. Everybody does something. Like there are different kind of jobs which we're going to discuss. So the definition of profession is someone who goes out and perform any activity for living that requires a certain education, knowledge, skill, and training. That is called a profession or a job, right? So that's what we are going to learn today. Yes. So there are different kind of professions. People do different kind of things. And I know that all of you know about these, right? There are many things which you know maybe already, and there will be many which we will discuss today. Yes, we're going to discuss today. Right. So I am going to show you the picture and you're going to tell me who is this person and what does he do, okay? Now there are two pictures. Now look at them carefully. They're wearing a helmet and they have some blueprints. They have, what do you think do they do? Yeah, engineer or architect. Yeah, engineer and architect. Both of them makes and construct things which we will discuss right later. Okay, so we're going to put them over here so you can watch them, have a look at them. So engineer and architect. Okay, we'll just put it over here. Okay, then we have something else. What do they do? What do you think? They have a pipe. He has a pipe in his home. Firefighter. Yes, he is a firefighter. Okay, so we put the firefighter over there. And let's look at this. Firefighter. Yes, he is a firefighter. That's great. Okay, so we'll just put it over here. Okay, then what we have is a, okay, I'll give you the easy one first. Okay, now have a look at this. What is this doing? Yeah, playing some instrument. Good. And this person is a musician. Who's she? Musician. Yes, musician. See, she's playing some musical instrument. She is a musician. Yes, a musician. Good. Then what we have somebody here wearing a stethoscope, wearing a white coat, a doctor. Who is he? He's a doctor. Yes, he is a doctor. Okay, I'll put the doctor over here. Right. Okay. So then, what do we have? Yay, we find them in the restaurants. Who is he? A chef. He is a chef. Have a look at this. He's a chef. He cooks food. Okay, that's great. Then what do we have? Have a look at this. Looks like he's in some laboratory. He must be a scientist. He must be a scientist. Yes, he is a scientist. Okay, that's great. So now look at this. He's standing beside an airplane. So he is a pilot. He is a pilot. Pilot. Yes, he is a pilot. Okay. And what about this? This. That looks like the same almost. He has paints in his hand. So he's a painter. He is a painter. Yes, he is a painter. Okay. Then, who is he? Sorry, who is she? What is she doing? She's in the classroom with the board, and she is a teacher. She is a teacher. Yes, she is a teacher. Then, wow, who is he? That was not a policeman. He is a soldier. He is a soldier. Yes, he is a soldier. That's great. So put the soldier over here. Okay, now what do we have? Now look at this picture. What do you think? Who is he? A tailor. Who is he? A tailor. Yes, he is a tailor. Okay. Then there is somebody here with some toolbox and tools. Who is he? Plumber. He is a plumber. Yes, a plumber. Good. Now, yes. Who is he? Yes, a policeman. Very good. He is a policeman. Very, very good. A policeman. Very important. Right. Then, who drives our cars and taxis? A driver. A driver. Yes, a driver. Very, very good. A driver. Okay. Then somebody is in the court. See this person? What do you think he is? A lawyer. A lawyer. A lawyer. Right? He is a lawyer. Yes. Lawyer. Then we have somebody who works with the doctor. She is a, yes, she is a nurse. She is a nurse. She is a nurse. Very good. Okay. Then in the court, there is somebody else. It's written out here as well. She's a judge, right? That is also a profession. A lawyer and a judge, right? A judge. Okay, that's great. Then we have somebody who cleans the streets and the malls. They are called janitor. They're called janitor. Yes, they're called janitors. Very good. And then there is somebody who works on the television, in the movies or in the dramas. Who are they? Actor. 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 Yes, they are actor. Very good. Then somebody who goes in the space, and astronaut. Who goes in the space? Astronaut. Who goes in the space? Astronaut. Yes. And then there is somebody who catches the fish. Yay. What do we call him? We call him a fisherman. Fisherman. Yes, we call him a fisherman. Yes. Then there is somebody who helps our mothers and who helps your mummies at home working. Yes, there are the helps. What do we call them? We call them maid. What do we call them? Maid. Yes. Maid. Very good. Right. And what do you think who she is? A dancer. Or whom she is? Who she is a? She is a dancer. Yes. Then there's somebody who sells different things, maybe fruits, and the clothes are many other things. We call him a shopkeeper. Shopkeeper. Yes, he's a shopkeeper. Yes. And then I'm going to show you the last one. A person who makes things out of mud and stones. He is called a sculptor. He's called a sculptor. Sculptor, right? See, he made things out of stones and mud. He's a sculptor. Very good. Okay. So we have learned a lot about professions today, and we are going to learn much more in our next class. So we have most of them. So we will just have a look at all of them quickly, and we will name them once again, right? We'll just quickly show the pictures to you, and you're going to tell me that who they are, right? Okay, that's great. So we will just quickly revise it. Yes, I'm going to show you the picture and you're going to tell, right? Okay, so I'll just take them out as well. Yeah, and we're going to revise it again, right? Now I'll jumble them up. Right, now the first one is astronaut. Yes. Now look at the second one. Fisherman. Yes. Then comes nurse. Oh, sorry. She's not a nurse. She helps mummies at home with her work in the kitchen or at home. Maid. Very good. She's a maid. She is a dancer. Now look at this. A shopkeeper. Yes, very good. Then she is a judge. Very good. Then works with the doctor. A nurse. Yes. Oh, now look at this. Okay, it's difficult. Sculptor. Sculptor. Yes. Then we have An artist, yes. Then tailor and doctor. Very good. Okay. He is a driver. Yes, a driver. Then comes plumber. Plumber. Yes. And who is he? Scientist. Yes. And then a policeman. Yay. And then a soldier and a pilot. Yes. And a chef. Good. A firefighter. Lovely. Then a musician. A musician. And engineer. Yay. He is an engineer. And then we have got this one. He is a lawyer. Yes, he is a lawyer. And teacher. Yes, she is a teacher. And who is he? A janitor. Yes, janitor, actor, and astronaut. That's good. So this is what professions are, and we're going to learn a lot about in the next class, right? So I'm going to say goodbye to you from this class now, and we'll see each other in the next class soon, inshallah. Till then, stay safe, be happy, and be grateful. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.